Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on, because you don't miss any of my future videos. Today, as you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing, finally, the Revolution Pro, the Icons Advent Calendar. So this is a 12-day Advent Calendar. I'm just looking at Revolution's website at the moment. It says that it's worth £77. It normally retails for £50, but the day that I'm filming this, it's reduced to £30 on the website. It does go up to full price. You all probably know by now. I do have a discount code for Revolution. It's Luce20. It's only for full price items, so it won't work on anything that's in the sale, but if it does go up in price to like the full price, at least you can use it then. It'll get you 20% off. I don't make any money from it. It just helps to save you some moolah. But let's just get straight into it. So this is obviously what it looks like, and then when you open her up, this is the inside of it. So I'd love to know as well, like, we've discussed this on other advent calendar videos, but when do you start a 12-day advent calendar? Because I know some people that have started like the 1st of December, but then I know some people that start it like 12 days before Christmas. Yeah, when is the right time? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, let's just get straight into this bad boy. So starting with day number 1, I've not even like sneaky previewed this one either. So first up we have, the Revolution Pro Rockstar Matte Liquid Eyeliner. So this is like a full-sized one, and then when we open this up, it's like a brush. Wow, that's really black. It's like a brush kind of applicator. You can see the brush there. So it's not like a felt tip on it, it's like an actual brush applicator. That is so pigmented. Wow. And it has, obviously this has like the product inside. It's like a little dip pot, if that makes sense. I can't get over how black that is. So yeah, that was behind day number 1. And day 2 we have another long one. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, this is full size as well. This is the Revolution Pro Hydra Gloss, and this is in the shade Maude, which is like a clear gloss. I don't think I have this gloss. This is just what it looks like. So yeah, buzzing again, another full-size product. Moving on to day number 3, another long one. So this is the, I can't say that word, Effect Lash Waterproof Mascara in the shade Black. Again, big full-size one. Very happy with that. Day number 4 is a long one, but this one sounds smaller. Ooh, okay, we have a lip liner. This is the Revolution Pro New Neutral Lip Liner in Velvet. I don't think I have this one. And then day 5, we have a square one. And in this one, we have the New Neutrals Day Palette. And I already know as well, just from somebody mentioning it to me, because Lizzie mentioned it to me, you get the night version of this palette in a bit. And you can actually buy that in a gift set if you just want to get these eyeshadow palettes. They do sell them separately in like a Revolution Pro gift set, and it has like the day and night palettes. You can't buy this separately, it only comes in the duo, but just in case you are interested in the eyeshadow palettes but nothing else, they do have that. I'll leave it linked down below, saves you looking on the website. But this is what it looks like. So for day, I feel like this one is like really, really out there for daytime. But the other 3 colours definitely make sense. So obviously that party one looks like a full, yeah, it's like a full, oh my god, it's beautiful. It's got a really nice formula to it. It's like a glitter, but it's as if like the glitter glue is like built into the actual glitter. You can definitely see the colour really nicely. Oh my god, it swatches really well. Wow, okay, that's really impressed me. Yeah, that is the shade Party. I just wouldn't have put this in this one, I would have put it in the nighttime one. But I'm just glad that it's in one of them because that's really nice. So that was day number 5, and then day number 6, we have one of these shaped ones. Ooh, okay, so we have a full-size lipstick, and it's in the same shade that matches that lip liner. So it's in the shade Velvet. Ooh, this is what it looks like. So I thought it was going to be like a darker colour than that, but that's really nice. Let's do a swatch, because I am, oh my god, it's so like buttery. I am just addicted to lip products. That is beautiful. And I love that you get the matching lip liner in it as well. So yeah, that is definitely going straight in my basket. So yeah, that'll definitely go in my makeup collection, because that colour is missing from my collection, so it'll definitely be going in my lipstick drawer. Moving on to day number 7, which again is like a longer one. Stop, we have another lip oil. This is the Goddess Glow lip oil. This one is in the shade Soleil, I think that's how you say that. Again, another full size product, and then that is just what it looks like. Oh my god, buzzing with that. Like I said, I'm just really enjoying lip oils at the moment. I definitely think my favourite was the XX Revolution Kombucha lip oil. I've just never known a lip oil. It's just, like, everything's perfect about it. But anyways, moving on to number 8, we have, oh my god, stop, I wanted this so bad. This is the Revolution Pro Blur Stick Universal Face Primer with vitamins B5, C and E. I actually have this because I used it the other day, but I don't know where I've put it. And it's like a massive, like the normal size version is absolutely huge. And I thought I need like a smaller one. Like I wanted to take it with me when I was getting ready for Westlife, because I was like taking a suitcase with me. I was like having to like pick small things to go in my suitcase. And I was like, I really want a small one, but I don't need a small one. But now I have one. Absolutely buzzing. So basically it's like a balm that you kind of like put onto where you get like large pores, and it really kind of fills them in. And I prefer it over Benefit's Professional. I just think it's really nice. And the smell, it's like proper watermelon, like chewy smell. I just love it. And I'm buzzing now. I'm buzzing I've got a smaller one. I was going to buy one as well because I did a rev order the other day, and I was going to put one in. Well, I'm going to put a rev order in tonight as well. Just getting like some bits for Christmas and stocking fillers for people and stuff. And I was going to order them, and I was like, you don't need it, but now I actually have it. Sorry, I'm really buzzing over that. Moving on to day 9, which obviously is the other eyeshadow palette. So this one is the night one. So it's like a little quad. So same packaging, but obviously it just says night on the back of it. And then when you open it up, this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It gives me like, what colour is it? Like the Huda Beauty, is it the Rose Quartz palette? It gives you that kind of like colour story vibes. Obviously it's not like a dupe for it, but that's the kind of vibes that I get from it. This is what it looks like. So obviously we have that golden shade is another one of them pressed shimmers, but the Jazz It Up shade in the bottom right, that is like a speckled like eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see, but that's like the 2 shimmers next to each other. It won't focus when I put my hand up really close to the camera. Obviously that was day number 9. Moving on to day 10. Oh my god, it's another one. So we have another one of the minis of the Blur Stick. So this is the Blur Stick Bright. I found it. Yeah, it was the Brighton one that I used the other day. So that's the size difference. Obviously when I was trying to pack my suitcase, this is quite like large. Like I didn't even take my micellar water with me because it was just too much room in my suitcase. So now that I have a little version, I can take the little version with me. By the way, in case you don't know as well, because I know I've been getting like a lot of new subscribers. Hello, hi. I do work for Revolution, but it is just like Monday to Friday, 9 till 5. I don't get paid or anything from like my YouTube. That's just in my own time. I'm actually filming this on a Tuesday night and it's 25 to 10. So yeah, it's all in my personal time. But just in case you're wondering, that's why I have a lot of Revolution products, because I very kindly get sent them because I work for them, and sometimes I do like content of like products in my hand, if that makes sense. Sometimes I do content in my face, but it is more like product content, like showing people the products and swatching them and stuff. I don't do it as often now. I am more like brand based. But yeah, just in case anyone is wondering who might be new. And we have another one. So this is the original. So I think this is the Blur Stick Universal Face Primer. So I think this is the original. This one is the Plus, which has like the vitamin B, C, E in it. So it gives you like a smooth, healthy kind of looking skin. And obviously this one has the watermelon scent. And then we also have the Brighten one, which has like that brightening kind of glow to it. So that is, I don't think we needed all 3 in the advent calendar, to be honest. I would have been really happy just having the Plus one, because I really like the scent of this, and I do really like the Brighten one. I don't think we needed like the original. And I have another box to open. I really hope it's not another one, because that would like be a lot of Blur Sticks. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Thank God for that. And the last one that we have is the Restore Lip Balm. Ooh, this is a day and night lip balm with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. It has 12 grams. Oh, it's honey. I'm gonna have to open this up and sniff it. This says ultimate on the go lip balm with hyaluronic acid to keep lips hydrated all year round. Ooh, that's a really good size. It has like 12 grams in it, and let's see what. It has like a very faint smell. So if you're not like a fan of scent and stuff, you probably would like this, because it has like a very, 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 very faint smell, but I wouldn't really say it smells of anything. So yeah, that is everything that you get in this advent calendar. Apart from obviously the blur sticks, which are like mini versions, which to be fair probably could have been the normal versions, because the normal versions are huge. Apart from them, everything else in the advent calendar obviously is like a full size product. So let's just quickly go through it. So obviously you get 2 eyeshadow palettes, you get a day and night one. You get a lip liner and lipstick set that matches, which is really nice. You get a full-size mascara. You get 2 full-size, got stuff stuck to it, 2 full-size lip oils. Obviously, we have one from the Goddess Glow collection, which if you watch my channel before I started working for Revolution, I bought like near enough everything from this Goddess Glow collection, like the bag and everything, because it just screams me. So yeah, I really like the Goddess Glow collection. So that is the 2 lip oils. Obviously you get the full size and matte liquid eyeliner, and then the lip balm, obviously another full size one, and then you get the 3 minis of the blur sticks. Like I said, I don't think we needed to have 3. Like this one could have been swapped out for something else, but maybe definitely keep the plus and the brighten, because I do really like these products, but I just don't think 3 was needed. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is everything that is in this advent calendar. Is it worth the money? You let me know. You let me know. It's your moolah. You let me know, honey bunny. I do really hope they do an advent calendar next year, because last year was the first year that they ever did it, and I loved last year's, and I do really like this year's as well. So yeah, I can't wait to see if they do one next year. Last week, I got shown like the Christmas gift stuff for like the Makeup Revolution brand for next year. How crazy is that? Like, I've been shown the gift stuff for 2023 for Makeup Revolution, and I'm waiting to see it for the rest of the brands. I think it'll probably be next week to see the rest of the brand stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in a video very soon. Bye.